Welcome everybody. This is my first unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing
What brought you to this lonely state?
my drone. Hopefully my dad doesn't fly it. Because if he does, he probably won't let me fly it.
It was?
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Alright,
who
so
is it in?
let's get to it.
Well, I'll manage to get along. Somehow. Thanks, Mom.
I told you not to use sweat toys.
Ah! It's kind of cool. Alright. I don't know. It's supposed to have a kit. Oh, yeah. What? Wait, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and yeah, it's on the charger. Get this off. And then tape. And there we go. It's on the charger right now. And there's the camera. And I'll show you the controllers, I guess. I didn't really understand them very well myself. Okay.
I want you to go in
So,
there. Lie down in your room for a while. Ralphie, just settle down.
okay, so
Right up.
this one goes up and
Lie
down.
down.
And then I don't know what. I think this goes side to side. But I have to move this one slowly. This one I can move as fast as I can.
The light was getting purple and soft outside. Almost time for my father to come home from work.
Randy!
Okay.
Hey,
So
what's the
this
matter?
side,
What you crying for?
now it moves.
No, he's not.
So this makes it go around and around.
I promise you,
And then
Daddy is not going to kill
This one.
Ralphie. Why don't you come on out of there?
there you should see a button.
Would you like some milk?
It says stunt. I have no idea what that's supposed to do, but these are the two I'm interested in. Video and camera. Now I can take pictures and
All right.
record me
See you
videos.
later? Okay. Bye.
I heard the car roar up the driveway, and a wave of terror broke over me. You know what I said, the awful things that I said.
Get out of here! Go on, get out of here! Oh, you mangy must get out of here!
Okay, that's it.